Welcome back, folks. Today we are working on a 2024 Honda Odyssey from our wheelchair van dealership. We do a lot of these door extension repairs because, as you can see, the clearance to the ground is pretty limited and they get beat up fairly easy. They get curb checked and run over speed bumps, and they take a lot of trauma, so we replace these quite a bit. We've got 4 brand new ones that we're going to put on this, and we're prepping for paint, and we're going to get them installed here and hopefully able to knock this out in about 24 hours. So let's get to work.